all of its biodiversity. Running around nature makes me happy, happy. Don't want people to destroy what we have. We need to fix the problem to take care of our generation past me.
All these trees and plants in my community, space species in a family tree. All this harm being done to my city. We need flower pollination and we need a healthy world in order to go out every day, all living lives together, interacting in many ways. Climbing rocks all over the reservoir, finding algae washing up on the shore. Sour apples, take a bite, eat one more. Watch the ivy, leaflets, 3 or more. Worms underneath the rocks, logs, and leaves. Ants crawling over lichens on the trees. Crabs in the labs eating all the killer leaves. Understand what I'm trying to say, you feel me?
We need to take care of the city and all of its biodiversity.